Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Aarmelle and today I'm gonna do a wig tutorial. So today I'm gonna try to put on this synthetic wig. The name is, what's her name? It's from the Outre Color Bomb collection. I'm just trying to figure out her name. Her name is KIMANI, and she is like this sandstone blonde color. And I'm just gonna show you guys how I would apply and how I apply my synthetic wigs, because I do have a different way of installing synthetic and like real hair, virgin hair, natural hair, compared to synthetic wigs. Because for synthetic wigs, I don't even try that hard because I know I'm not gonna wear them for a long time because they're going to tangle, as opposed to virgin hair or like real hair that I have like the ball cap method and like I use a different glue. But for this one, I'm just gonna use the Got To Be spray, and like I'm not gonna glue my wig cap. I'm just gonna slap it on there. I'm a bit bold or whatever, but it's okay. It's for the tutorial's sake. So yeah, this is how she looks. She came in this box. I already took her out, the hairnet, and then a plastic thing over it. Common sense, that's how it usually is. This is her color. She's gonna be a cute one, I can already tell. She has like these loose curls. We're gonna see how we're gonna style her. It comes on us with the side part, but I want to do a middle part, so we're gonna see how that goes. And yeah, this is the parting space that they give you. It's pre-made with a side part, right? You see how the lace is only a side part? I'm gonna try to do a middle part. We'll see how that works. If it doesn't work, it's just gonna be a side part. But anyways, let's get to it. So I was trying to do another parting because I like it middle, but she's not a 6x6. Like, she's a lace front, but this parting is already pre-made. Like, it's a side part, you can't change that. So if you're getting KIMANI, just know it's a side part on the left. I don't hate it. I would have liked the middle part, but I'm just gonna show you guys how to install it with a middle part. It's not the end of the world. Like, it still looks cute. Like, I still look cute. It's just middle part would have been better, is what I was feeling for this specific style. But we're gonna do it, okay? Okay, just keep watching. I remember that I forgot to do, like I'm not done and I'm noticing what's bothering me, is I forgot to put like powder foundation or any type of foundation on the lace before putting it on my head. And so it doesn't match my skin, but since I can fix it. But I would advise you to tint it. There's like lace tints, or to just use your foundation and go over the lace before you install it, because I forgot. And now you can clearly tell that it's not matching, but I'm gonna fix it, you know, but just saying. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I really do like the wig. The only thing I didn't really like is the fact that I didn't have free parting space, but that's because of me. I didn't really check the parting space when I got the wig. I just saw it and I was like, ooh, I want it, so I got it. I'm not mad, like I can work with the side part. It's really nice. I love the curls, they're loose and nice. If you watch the tutorial, I use this, right? I don't recommend you using this. I would just stick to this for synthetic wigs. This leaves a white residue, like you can kind of see it. I try to hide it. I didn't do much to it. I kind of want to pluck it. I might pluck it, but you don't really have to. Like, it really looks good without it. If I used this, it would have looked better. It would have looked like my hair. Yeah, I might pluck it just because I don't like the parting that much, but it still does look good. I recommend using like a synthetic wig for like a gathering, like a cute pic, stuff like that, not for like a long period of time, because it is gonna tangle and it is gonna shed. It doesn't really have much tangling, to be quite honest with you. Okay, maybe a little, but not too bad, you know. And I didn't get much shedding, so yeah, it's a good wig. I find that if you have trouble like with parting and you don't know really how to do it, having a wig that comes already parted does help and does look good. And like the thing I like about synthetic wigs is that it's already layered for you. we don't need to do the layering. It's already done for us. So yeah, I really recommend it. Let me know if you guys want me to do a tutorial of me installing other synthetic wigs or like virgin hair, like real hair that's not synthetic. Let me know if you want another one, and let me know if you want it to be more detailed. But yeah, this is how it looks. I really love it, you know. I might take some pictures in it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys and I appreciate you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, like this. So anyways, bye guys, love you. See you in the next one.